Hi students! Today's lesson is about tangents and circles, session 2. In this lesson, we are going to talk about common properties in circles. First of all, any angle facing the diameter is equal to 90 degrees. And here in this figure, the angle AMB is right angle since it is facing the diameter. And we have OB is a radius, for example, 3 centimeter. And we need to find AB. We multiply the measure of the radius by 2. Then AB will equal radius times 2. Then 3 times 2 equal to 6 centimeter. So we can conclude that a diameter is a straight line passing from side to side through the center of the circle. And the rule is diameter equal 2 times radius. Now we will move to property number 2. Radii of same circle are equal. And as we know, radii is the plural of radius. And all the points on the circle are of the same distance from the center. Then we can conclude that OB equal OA equal OC. Now we have two circles having 2 points in common, are called intersecting. As you can see here in this figure, we have circle C and circle C prime. These two circles intersect at 2 points A and B. That's why we call them intersecting circles. Now we have two circles, C and C prime. These two circles intersect at 1 point only. And when we have two circles having only 1 point in common, then we call them tangent circles. And the common point here in this figure is point T. And finally, if we have two circles having no points in common, and they don't intersect at any point, then we call them disjoint circles, as shown in the figure below. And before ending the session, this is a small revision of some rules related to the formation of any circle. First of all, the blue curve represents a circle C of center O and radius R. This curve is made of points whose distance to O equals the constant R. Then A, B, and C are points on C. OA equal OB equal OC equal R. And point K, as shown in the figure, is a point inside circle C. Then the distance OK is smaller than the radius R. And if we look at point L, this point is outside circle C, and the distance OL is greater than the radius R. We can call point O is the center of symmetry of circle C, and a segment from the center O to a point C is called a radius. And the segment having 2 points as extremities on C is called a chord. And the chord that passes through the center is called a diameter. We can call BC as a chord and AC as a chord also. But AC is the diameter of the circle C, since it is passing through the center O. And as shown before, the diameter equals 2 times radius. And any diameter of C is an axis of symmetry of circle C. And please, dear students, after you finish the session, please solve these two questions. Thank you all.